Hi, I'm Donna Murray. I'm the Mulsanne and Engine Quality Manager. Me and my team are responsible for the quality control of the vehicle before it leaves crew. Our approach to inspection is quite different from the manufacturing process. We're not looking for mechanical faults, it's a more subjective approach. Internally, we say we are the hands and eyes of the customer. The car leaves CP7 and progresses into dynamic verification. This includes shake rig that simulates road movements, a full geometry check, rolling road test, and finally an undercar inspection. We have 7 inspection points spread across the build of Mulsanne. These amount to 1,200 individual checks, starting with engines and ending here with a final overview at CP8.
You're now looking at the culmination of approximately 36 months project work. The project started life, codenamed Kimberley, is now, as you see it, the Bentley Mulsanne. You can now see the culmination of the craftsmanship that has now come together in this vehicle. We have the soft leather interior with the seat cushions and seat squabs, and you can see also the integration of the solid wood around the vehicle. We've worked very hard as a project team to make sure that all of the Bentley traditional values are maintained, and visually this car utilises all of the craftsmanship around the wood and the leather and the individual hand stitching. Integrated within that and embodied within those systems are the latest technology. So within the infotainment system we have fully integrated telephone systems, satellite navigation systems, and also media and music systems. This leads down then to the centre console, where we have the gear selector engaging the 8-speed transmission, and also the park brake controls and dynamic suspension control systems. We've adopted a policy with this project that basically what looks like metal has to be metal. So we have individually crafted and chromed organ stops controlling the rear air vents. We have all of the brightwear surrounds. We also have stainless steel polished kick strips and stainless steel speaker surrounds, and also the door handles, again feeling of cold and quality metal. We have also included a significant chunk of heritage in terms of the way the speedometer and tachometer needles operate. The park position of those needles is actually at 1 o'clock, and they then operate in a clockwise direction. But this is very unique to Bentley and very traditional. Every Bentley is road tested for approximately 30 miles on the roads around Crewe. This makes sure that every detail is perfect and that we as a team are happy to hand that car in the first step to our dealers, but ultimately to one of our customers. It is a great feeling for myself and the team here at Crewe to recognise that very shortly, after many months of extensive development and testing, and in this particular case many hours of building this car, that very soon a customer will be owning this and will be enjoying the experience that this grand Bentley now delivers. This is now the ultimate Bentley.